but I didn't think of them until after the fact. So we ended up with the slow, silly way.
Hello again and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a super simple project, kind of inspired by Lord of the Rings. I was rewatching The Hobbit after I watched The Rings of Power, and this Bilbo robe it's so good. I love it. So I wanted to make something patchwork. It's also inspired by the fact that I've always wanted to try to make quilts, but I don't have enough faith in myself or my math, because I hate math. And I don't usually do things the right way. I usually just approximate. So I wanted to make something patchwork so I could see if it was achievable. An end result. Anything. Just as long as there is an end result. That's what this project is. I'm going to be making a patchwork skirt. I got a bunch of fat quarters from Joann's. I'm going to be cutting up those and piecing them back together. And it's going to be a lot of seams for what is actually a very simple skirt. So if you need an easy project, this one would be perfect. I'm just making a rectangle skirt, but I'm piecing things together first. It also is going to have zero waste, so that's another great reason to do this project if you're wanting to make something for yourself, but have a bin of scraps in your closet that you don't know what you're ever going to be able to do anything with. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below if you'd like to see more from me. And because I'm trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the year, and we're getting close, but not quite there yet. So I would very much appreciate it if you considered subscribing, especially since so many of my viewers are not subscribed, and I would love to have some of you guys stick around. All right, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so here are my squares. I have 6 of them in browns and greens. And here's my really shitty math that I just did. So I think I want the waist to be at least 60, and my squares are 21 by 18, so it's gonna have to be 3 across and then 2 tall is what I'm planning on. So then what I'm gonna do is cut them in half both lengthwise and heightwise, and so I can make this grid a little bit smaller and less blocky and bulky. Let's get cutting. Alright, so they're nice and ironed. I didn't pre-wash these because I'm lazy, and I didn't want to. So moving on, make 2 groups of 3, and I'm going to alternate the rows. I think this one is too dark. These 2 are not very busy, and these 3 are very busy. So I think I want this one down here, that one up there, those 3 and these 3. Yeah, because this one's pretty busy. These 2 are, this one feels busiest, I think. These 2 are least busy. These 2 are most busy, and those 2 are least busy. Okay, these are my groups. So I've seamed together all of my strips, and I've pressed open every single one of these pesky little seams. There are definitely smarter ways that I could have done that, but I didn't think of them until after the fact. So we ended up with the slow, silly way. But it's done now. Now I'm going to attach them together lengthwise, alternating, and I made them into loops so that I can kind of do it like a brick almost, so there's not going to be one seam going straight up. It's going to be this seam, and then the other seam for the next row up will be in the middle, if that makes any sense. Honestly though, who let me do this? I'm bad at math, and I'm bad at being exact, so if this works, it'll truly be a miracle. I have all my patches sewn together. So technically the last step is I just need a hem, and then I need to put in a double fold for an elastic channel. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna add some decorative stitching. It's unfortunate that I used every scrap of these fat quarters to make this, because it would have been fun to add some little extra patches on top too, but we'll see what I can come up with. The hem is done, and so is the elastic channel up top. Honestly, the fact that anyone let me do this is incredible, but it worked. And I've added a bunch of little details. I think I showed a clip of stitching this one, but there are a bunch of others as well. Now all it needs is to force the elastic through this channel and then tie it off. I don't think I'm going to show that, so I think we can roll the tape of the reveal.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'm actually shocked how well this turned out. It looks like a skirt, and patches don't look super messy, which is a win in my book. I don't know about yours, but I love it. I hope you liked my hobbity little outfit that I tried to put together, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give it a like and subscribe down below if you would like to see more from me and to help me get to 1,000, fingers crossed. But either way, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye!